Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a easy level question in the database category that I just solved on my own. So I'm super happy about this and I'm glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any help. So let's go over it. This is 197 rising temperature. So basically you just want to find the ID of the dates that have a bigger temperature than the day before, yesterday. So the difference has to be 1 in that case. So let's just go ahead and get all the information for each row and then also just sort by the date and then compare the dates. So let's call this current. Let's make another list for answer because this happens to just be one column. So we can just do that instead of having to make A, B, C, 3 different columns. So for I, W, it enumerates weather, record, date. So we can go ahead and append the dates and then the temperature, and then the ID. Cool. And then we have to sort it by just the 0th index, which is the date. So if we print current, we're just going to loop over, and we're going to make sure that the current date is one more, is the day after the one on the left, and then see if the temperature is bigger. If it is, then include the current ID in the result. So for C in current, let's just call this date, or let's call this date temp and ID in current. So unpacking each sublist. If, well, actually, let's do it this way. So if the difference is current of I of 0, minus current I minus 1, 0, right? The current date compared to the date on the left. And we split this to make this the actual part that we want, which is the day part. And so if int of diff is equal to 1, that means it's exactly 1 day, right? And the cur of I of 1 is bigger than cur I minus 1, 1, right? That's the temperature. In that case, we would just append cur I of 2 because that's the ID. Okay, and then at the end, we can just create a data frame, set the ID column equal to answer because we don't need to sort it, and then just return it. So let's run this, submit it. And there you go, passes all test cases. So again, I'm pretty happy that I was able to complete this question without any help. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.